What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today I've got a very interesting Vosteed that's about to release here very shortly. The release date for this one is January 8th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm aiming to upload this video maybe a few hours before it goes live, so you guys have the best chances of picking it up if you're interested. I mean, Vosteed knives sell out pretty quick, especially on their website. Doing the honors, speaking of a knife that sold out pretty quick, is the most recent release right before this one is the Thunderbeast from Vosteed. It's rocking their V anchor lock, and it's very figure friendly with multiple deployment options. It is a beast indeed. I mean, Thunderbeast name absolutely fits, right? A very sort of large, borderline extra large knife. I've been having a ton of fun carrying this one. Check out the upload video here in the channel if you haven't already. Of course, links down below to this knife and every other knife you see in this video. But here's a good sign, right? When you get a Vosteed knife and it comes in a plastic orange case like this one, you know you are in for a treat, right? These, of course, are the most high premium knives from Vosteed. And without further ado, bam, right there is the knife. I'm excited for that. We have some goodies here. We got a sticker, we got a wiping cloth, we have a support card, some silica gel, and what in the world is in here? Let's find out. Vosteed little tiny pouch here. Okay, that is a pocket clip. Nope, it is not. It is actually a mini pry bar. That's actually very cute. I mean, it's actually like some borderline. Look how tiny this is. Okay, it is on Van X steel. Let's go 5X here so we can do it justice. Check this out. Van X steel, which might be foreshadowing to the type of steel we have on the actual knife here. We'll check that out in a second. But nice little keychain style pry bar. That is nice. Or flathead screwdriver, whatever you want to call it. That's absolutely pretty neat. And I'm going to go ahead and add this to my keychain like ASAP. But here we go. Let's check out the knife here, guys. This one's called the Zeno. Xeno is the name on this one, and holy macaroni, guys. For starters, this color combo is sweet. It is available on many different color combos. I'll put some pictures here on the video so you guys can check it out. It's available, again, many different variants to choose from. Some of them are going to sell out right away, but let's kind of break it down a little bit. We have titanium here on the odd side. This one is sort of like this purple tie with the steel gold looking color here on the V anchor lock. So in case you don't know, purple and yellow are complementary colors, right? Think of the LA Lakers. So purple and gold right there, or yellow, go hand in hand. There are some, all gray versions, gray and blue. And so there's even a blacked out version with I believe maybe DLC on the blade, so that's pretty sweet. There is the pocket clip on the other side. Doesn't seem to be reversible. Again, more of a show knife that you probably don't want to mess up the design on the show side for righties. I'm not sure if they make a lefty version, but even the screws are on the inside so that you don't have to see screws from the outside. Right, that's the attention to detail, and we can even see that here also on the show side. These screws go all the way through. What I'm guessing is they go all the way through, and that way you don't see hardware on the show side. They did the same thing here on the Thunderbeast recently. That's the first time I see Vosteed doing that. By the looks of it, it looks like they may be sticking with that here for the time being. Right now, seeing another model implement that design as well. We do have a lanyard solution or hole on the Thunderbeast. No lanyard solution or hole anywhere on the Zeno. But we have an opening hole here, pill-shaped opening hole. And if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Again, rocking the V anchor lock. And wham, right? There is the blade. This is crazy. Holy macaroni. What are we working with here, ladies and gentlemen? We're looking at, I want to say sheep's foot blade, right? We're going to go with that. Reverse tanto blade. But it's not a straight line, right? It's got a line here and a line there. So that's interesting as it is. Check that out. It's going to be a flat grind with a satin finish on this one. Again, multiple different finishes are available. And with Van X, you are getting a very corrosion resistant steel, right? One of the top corrosion resistant steels you can possibly get on a knife. Vosteed sent me a picture. They did some testing of this steel blade on, compared to some other steels on some other of their own knives. And I think over time, I'll put it on the screen how long the test was and all the details, but you can see this one is pristine, no rust of any kind, and some of the other steels were starting to get some rust build on them. But yeah, it's interesting to see how this one held up over time, being so corrosion resistant. Let's check out the disengagement here. Nice and easy to push down on it. There it is on the close and the open. Loving the acoustics. Listen to the close. Almost has like a tick and then a talk. Listen to that. All right, I'm absolutely loving the acoustics so far. Not to mention, I mean, it is going to be very fidget friendly. The pivot lock is nice and smooth. Also very, very strong, right? You have a multiple contact little bar, like smack in the middle, right? Kind of holding the knife on the open position. That is robust, rock solid, not moving anywhere. The housing or little crown here around the V anchor lock is protecting it so that you don't accidentally push the button or what have you. You have to be very intentional with very specific pressure on that very specific spot just to be able to disengage the knife. So of course you can deploy off of the V anchor lock. You also have the pill shape hole so you can spidey flick, thumb deploy, and of course the ergos are going to be pretty solid. Again, hammer grip here with my average size hands. I'm able to get a full purchase, and I can also forward choke a tad bit. Doesn't have the most dedicated finger choil in the world by any stretch of the imagination, but you can make it work and forward choke a little bit closer to the blade there if you wanted to get more control of the cut, which is very interesting there, to say the least. Now, putting it side by side here next to the Thunderbeast, right, in case you're wondering, yes, both are rocking the same locking system. And by the way, Vosteed, if you guys can like do the heck out of V anchor locks in 2025, I'm not going to be mad. It is one of my all-time favorite locking systems out there, along with their button-operated liner lock, like on this Raccoon 2.0, right? So let's put those there for reference. It's going to be a hair, maybe a hair longer than the Raccoon 2.0, right? A little bit shorter than the Thunderbeast, right? Size-wise, just to kind of put it in perspective there, right? You guys can get an idea. You have to be living on the rock not to know about Vosteed and their quality, or perhaps you're just getting started, which is totally okay. Welcome to the hobby. You're about to be in for a treat. So fasten your seatbelt, guys. But Miguel, how does the knife cut? Well, fam, let me tell you, let me show you here, right? Let's see how we do here with some paper. Getting into the paper right away, creating swirls. Let's get some full slices here. Oh man, come on. Come on now. Piece of cake. In case you're wondering, going from one piece to the next, right? You got this little peak section right there. Doesn't feel like anything. Like it's just transitions, doesn't affect the cut in any way, shape, or form. The cut just keeps going. And then as far as cardboard goes, I got a single wall piece of cardboard here, cutting diagonally for better performance. It's gonna look something like this. There you go, guys. Went through that cardboard there very, very easily. Almost went through my thumb too, right? Check this out. Gotta be careful, Miguel. Almost lost a piece of thumb there on that one. That's how sharp this one is. Holy smokes. You guys rate it in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10. 10 being the sharpest, you all let me know. I don't know how I missed this the entire video so far, but it is a Tough Knives collaboration. You know, Jeff Blauvelt design, right? Absolutely, an absolute legend here in the EDC knife community, right? The guy who brought you the Psyop, right? Things like the Psyop 299, the mini Psyop, right? These are all Tough Knives, aka Jeff Blauvelt designs, and I'm really excited to see the new iteration. I love me a good old drop point blade, but something more sheep's footy, Warncliffey. That is my, is that even a word? Warncliffey? I just made that up. Look it up on the Miguel EDC dictionary. It exists. I put it there myself. Anyways, yeah, very, very excited to see a different design with a whole different wild blade. I mean, the fact that it has two straight lines, it's not one single straight line. You know, it's got that reverse tanto feel to it. A more narrow peel shape. It's a little bit narrower but longer, right? Opening hole. That is very interesting to say the least. And again, we're just getting the year started, right? Vosteed wanted to wrap up 2025 with the Thunderbeast. They absolutely sent it with an amazing knife. And they just opened up 2026 with now the Zeno. I'm excited to see what else they got in store, baby. We're just in January. We are barely in January, not even halfway through January. And they're just already dropping fire, bomb after bomb, right? I am very excited for what's ahead. So I'll have links to all these down below in the description, guys. Check out all the different variants for the Zeno, right? You definitely have plenty of options to choose from. The Thunderbeast, some of the most desirable variants sold out, I want to say within the first 24 hours. So if you see a variant that you like, don't sleep on it, because then, you know, it's going to be sold out at Vosteed. I also put some links to other knife dealers like Blade HQ and Knife Center and such, where you can also pick them up. But those might take a little bit more time to hit those dealers. So yeah, if you like what you see here, I can't recommend it enough. Excited to carry this one. Love Van X as a premium steel as well. No doubt about it. Let me know your thoughts. What do you like about it? What do you love about it? Is there anything you dislike about it? Let me know, guys. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.